Guys, welcome to Education for You and welcome to the part 3 of Best 1000 MCQ series Indian Geography. So already we have uploaded two parts, that means 200 questions, and in today's class also we'll discuss 100 more questions, which is very important for upcoming any kind of competitive exam. So let's start the class. First question is, the Bharat Oman Refineries Limited operates which of the following refineries? So Bharat Oman Refineries Limited kuntu refinery operate kore? Options are given: Bongaigaon, Bina, Haldia, Numaligarh refinery, and answer is number B, that is Bina refinery. Okay, so Bharat Oman Refineries Limited Bina refinery operate kore, and it is located, Bina refinery is located in Sagar, MP, Madhya Pradesh Avasthita, and in 2011 it was set up and is operated by Bharat Oman Refineries Limited. Okay, 2011 not a Bina refinery to operate set up kora hoise. In terms of area, which of the following countries is not larger than India? Options are given: Australia, Brazil, Canada, Indonesia. So kunkhon country area wise India koi dangor nahoy? Answer is Indonesia is not, in terms of area, is not larger than Indonesia. Khardungla mountain pass is located on in which Indian state? Khardungla mountain pass. Options: Himachal, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Sikkim, and answer is number C, Jammu and Kashmir. And Khardungla mountain pass is located in Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. Which tributary of Indus originates from Lake Mansarovar? Mansarovar Lake pura originate hua tributary to ki hoy? Options are given, and answer is number C, Satluj. Okay, Satluj to apunar Mansarovar Lake pura originate hoy. Which river originates from Amarkantak Hills in Madhya Pradesh? Options are given: Betwa, Mahi, Narmada, Tapti. So, which river originates from Amarkantak Hills? It is Narmada river originates from this hill, Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh. In which year India's population has shown negative growth? Okay, kiman sonot India population growth to negative dekhaisile, minus or. Options are given, and answer is number B, 1911 to 21. In this decade, in this period, negative population growth has been seen. Which of the following is an example of Piedmont Plateau? Options are given: Tibetan, Bolivian, Malwa and Ladakh, and answer is Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is an example of Piedmont Plateau. And what is Piedmont Plateau? It is a plateau which has one mountain on one side. Okay, eta side of ki thake, eta mountain thake. That type of plateau is known as Piedmont Plateau, and Malwa Plateau is an example of Piedmont Plateau. Which of the following state doesn't share boundary with Myanmar? Options are given: Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur. Myanmar hoite kuntu state boundary share nokore? That is, Assam doesn't share boundary with Myanmar, but Arunachal, Nagaland and Manipur shares. Polavaram project is located in which state? And answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Polavaram project is located in Andhra Pradesh. Best soil for plant growth in India: sandy, clayey, loamy, silty. Which type of soil is best for plant growth in India? And it is number C, loamy soil is best for plant growth. What is loamy soil? It's a mixture of sand, clay and humus. Okay, sand thakibo, bali, boka aru apunar humus thakibo. That is a mixture of that is known as loamy soil. Manikaran hot springs kot avasthita? Options are given: Uttarakhand, Himachal, Jammu, Gujarat, and answer is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Manikaran hot spring is located in Himachal Pradesh, aru ei hot spring or pani to bahut besi bhal hoy bahut bemaror karone, kisuman bemaror karone like a muscle pain, tar pisot enuka joints or bemar enuka typor kisuman bemaror karone ei hot spring or pani to bahut besi bhal hoy. Almaty Dam is on which of the following rivers? Options given, and it is on Krishna River. Almaty Dam is on Krishna River in North Karnataka. Okay, Almaty Dam in Krishna River, North Karnataka. Then the Vedabahal Ultra Mega Power Project is located in which of the following states? Vedabahal Ultra Mega Power Project is in Orissa. Then Bharachukki falls in which state of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu? Answer is Karnataka. Bharachukki falls is in Karnataka and it is 130 km away from Bangalore. Then the Pir Panjal range is in which state? Options are given: Arunachal, Jammu, Punjab, Uttarakhand. Answer is number B, Jammu and Kashmir. This range is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The longest river that originates in India. Options are given and options and number B is correct. Ganga is the longest river that originates in India. Northernmost point of India is known as Indira Heights, Indira Col, Indira Point. None of the above. Answer is number B, Indira Col বুলি কোৱা হয় northernmost point of India and it is in Jammu and Kashmir. India shares its land borders with how many countries? Options are given and answer is number B, 7 countries. Okay, so India ইয়াৰ land border 7খন country সৈতে share কৰে: Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan and Afghanistan. Coach Bihar in West Bengal is famous for which industry? Options are given and answer is number B, silk industry. Coach Bihar in West Bengal is famous for silk industry. By which name the main branch of river Ganga is known as in Bangladesh? So Bangladesh river Ganga main branch to ki name jana jay and answer is number B, Padma. In which state Thalchar thermal power plant is located and it is in Orissa. Guru Shikhar peak kod obasthito? Options: Haryana, Kerala, Rajasthan, Bihar. Answer is in Rajasthan. Then Namchik Namphuk coalfields kod obasthito? Answer is number C, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Namchik Namphuk coalfield, important question, is in Arunachal Pradesh. Which highway connects Sikkim with the rest of India? It is also a very important question and answer is NH31A. Okay, NH31A, Sikkim, it connects Sikkim with the other parts of the country. Hirakund Dam is on which river? Hirakund Dam kod obasthito? Mahanadi river obasthito in Orissa. It is also a very important question. Then Bhitarkarnika mangroves are in which of the following states? Answer is Orissa. Bhitarkarnika mangroves are in Orissa. Pangong Lake is on which state? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Pangong Lake is in Jammu and Kashmir. Largest fraction of rubber production in India is in, so sabse beshi rubber kod produce hoy? Answer Kerala. Tipaimukh Dam is an issue between which of the following country? And answer is India and Bangladesh or major eta issue hoy Tipaimukh Dam. 3 Bigha corridor is a dispute between kar major eta dispute etio eta সংঘৰ্ষৰ মানে একটা reason hoy 3 Bigha corridor. It is India and Myanmar. Jarawa are the indigenous people of Adivasis prominent in, so Jarawa Adivasis are located in which state? Answer is in Andaman and Nicobar. Jarawa Adivasis. Indian Standard Time IST is calculated on the basis of which of the following longitude? Options are given and IST is calculated on the basis of this longitude 82 degree 30 minute east. Okay, very important, 82 degree and 30 minute east. This is the answer. Which of them the following passes are located on the state of Sikkim? All these are the options and answer is number D, both A and B. Jalepla and Nathula, these two passes are located in Sikkim. Manipur and Nagaland are separated by which hill range? These are the options and correct answer is by the Bareil Hill Range. Highest point of Meghalaya is Shillong is the highest point of Meghalaya. Highest peak of Karnataka. These are options and answer is number B, Mullayanagiri. Mullayanagiri is the highest peak of Karnataka. Devmali is the highest point of which state? And answer is Orissa. Okay, it is the highest point of Orissa, Devmali. What percentage of the Thar Desert lies in the Indian territory? And it is number A, 85% lies in the Indian territory and the rest of the 15% of Thar Desert lies in Pakistan. Satish Dhawan Space Center is located in which state? Answer is Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Sagar Island is on which state? Answer is number A, Sagar Island is on West Bengal. Then how much percentage of Sundarban mangroves cover under its territory of India? And it is 40% is covered on India and the rest of the 60% It falls in Bangladesh. Okay. Which of the following has similar geographical structure like Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong and Kachar Hills? Options are given. So answer is Chotanagpur Plateau. Geographical area is same like Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong and Kachar Hills. Highest peak of peninsular plateau of India, and it is Anaimuri. Peninsular India south or apunar highest peak is in Anaimuri. Highest peak is Anaimuri. Which examples of Rift Valley options are given, and answer is number D. All are the examples of Rift Valley. Narmada, Tapi, Son Valley, all are the examples of Rift Valley. So yare kuntu correct hai? Answer is number E. All of these. Sorrow of Bengal, Damodar River. Sorrow of Assam, Brahmaputra River. Sorrow of Karnataka, Doni River. Sorrow of Bihar, Kosi River. Very important question. Okay, Bengal, Damodar, Assam, Brahmaputra, Karnataka, Doni, Bihar, Kosi River. So all these are correct answer. Which rivers drains into the run of Kutch? Answer is number A. Luni. Luni River drains into the run of Kutch. Run of Kutch leke to drain kare. Then Tiao River is located in the border of which pair of countries? Answer is India and Myanmar. Okay, Tiao River, India and Myanmar border obostito. Fulhar Lake kot ase? Options. Answer is Uttar Pradesh obostito. Fulhar Lake and in the Gomti River. Then city of Nasik is located on the bank of which river? So Nasik city is located on the bank of Godavari River. The rivers of Chotanagpur Plateau follow which type of drainage pattern? Options are given, and answer is trellis drainage pattern. What percentage of total area of India is occupied by the river Ganga? So Ganga kiman percentage of area occupied kori ase, and that is 26.3% of total area of India is occupied by river Ganga. The city of Cuttack is on the bank of which river? Cuttack kuntu bank ot ase? River bank part obostito Mahanadi. Artificial lake or example kuntu hoy yare? Answer is number B, Kodaikanal, and it is in Tamil Nadu. And Renuka, this lake is in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. Then Kolero Lake is in Andhra Pradesh, and Nainital is in Uttarakhand. Okay, Renuka, Himachal Pradesh, Kolero, Andhra Pradesh, and Nainital, Uttarakhand. Which of the following is correct? Is correct. Options are given, and answer number E is correct. All of these means largest saltwater lake in India is known as Sambar. It is in Rajasthan. Okay, very important. Monot rakhibo, largest saltwater lake kot ase? Rajasthan, and its name is Sambar. Largest freshwater lake ase? Ulard ase, India, Jammu and Kashmir. It is also very good. Take it important. Largest artificial lake ase? Lake ase Dhebar buli koy, Rajasthan obostito Dhebar. And brackish water lake ase apunar Chilika, jitu Orissa obostito. All are very important. Try to remember. Most of the area of Bihar is covered with which type of soil? And answer is number C, alluvial soil. Very fertile soil. Evergreen forest kuntu place or ase yare? And answer is number B, Western Ghat is filled with evergreen forest, in which tree species is found in between altitudes of 1800 to 2600 meters of Himalayan range. Kenuka dhoroner tree poa jay in this altitude, and that is Deodar. High altitude of poa jay. Institute of Wood in Science and Technology is located in Bangalore. Okay, Institute of Wood Science and Technology. Largest producer of gypsum, which is also known as calcium sulfate, in India is which state? And that is Rajasthan state produces the largest amount of gypsum or calcium sulfate. Largest coal reserve, for the options are given, and it is number B, Jharkhand. Largest coal reserve is in Jharkhand. 29% reserve is found in Jharkhand. In terms of coal production, India's rank, options are given, and it is number A, second position after China. Type of energy which comes from fossil, options are given. That is petroleum. It comes from fossil fuel. It is a fossil fuel. Okay, so apunar fossil bilak bahut bosor jug thori jibasmo jibilak hoy tar pray ki hoy utpatti hoy petroleum. Then the black revolution is related to crude oil. ONGC was established on 1956. Then which of the following ore and metals are correct? Limonite or ore. And then chalcopyrite, copper, bauxite, aluminum, monazite, thorium, and answer number E is all of this. Okay. So is an iron ore. So you can say this one iron ore also. Iron ore, limonite, iron ore, then chalcophyte, copper, bauxite, aluminum, monazite, thorium. So all these metals and its ores are correct. Chilimili coalfield is located in, options are given, and it is in Chhattisgarh. Chilimili coalfield is in Chhattisgarh. Largest reserve of crude oil in India is found in western offshore Bombay High. Bombay. Korba Super Thermal Power Station is in, options are given, and it is in Hasdeo. Okay, Korba. Okay. Then Damodar Valley Corporation was founded. Damodar Valley Corporation was founded in, options are given, and it is in founded in 1948 in West Bengal. Joint agreement between India and Nepal. Here kuntu a joint agreement India and Nepal, and that is Kosi project 1954 the Karata agreement. Which of the following is correct? Options are given, and answer is both A and B. A and B is correct. That is Tarapur Atomic Power Station is in Maharashtra. Narora Atomic Power Station is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Tarapur Atomic Power Station in Maharashtra, Narora, Uttar Pradesh. Which state has high potential for solar energy? Solar energy high potential for the state, and it is Rajasthan. Which of the following does not come under renewable natural resources? Kuntu renewable nahoy apunar punar nirmi mane puno nobikaran jogyo nahoy yare. Answer is salt. Freshwater, clean air, fertile soil, all are renewable, but salt is non-renewable natural resource. The energy stored as heat in this earth is known as, so heat hisabe store kora energy to ki boli koi, and that is geothermal energy. Then the wind capacity is highest in which state? That is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, wind power capacity is highest in Tamil Nadu. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which Indian state? That is Orissa. It doesn't pass through Orissa, but it passes through 8 states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay. দেশৰ মাজেৰে যায় একদম পুৰা পাৰ হৈ পেলাই এইটো আৰু এই মাজৰ যিকেখন আপোনাৰ ষ্টেট আছে গোটেইকেখনে ক্ৰস কৰি আঠখন গুজৰাট ৰাজস্থান এমপি ছত্তীশগড় ঝাৰখণ্ড ওয়েস্ট বেংগল ত্ৰিপুৰা এণ্ড মিজোৰাম which latitude passes through the middle of India, and that is Tropic of Cancer. Already koluwe moi Trans Himalayan River kuntu hoyare, and answer is number C. Indus River is known as Trans Himalayan River. So Himalayan River is divided into 2 types. Okay, 2 subgroups. One is Trans Himalayan River, another is the Himalayas. Okay. Another is a Himalayan river. So eta is a Trans Himalayan River, eta is a Himalayan River. So Trans Himalayan rivers kundila hoy which originate beyond the Himalaya. Himalayar agot ki hoy originate hoy jene Indus, Satluj, Brahmaputra eta Trans Himalayan rivers of pore. Himalayan rivers kundila hoy those who originate from the Himalaya. Himalaya parbator pora jitu originate hoy, that is called Himalayan rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries. These Indus, Satluj and Brahmaputra are Trans-Himalayan because it originates beyond the Himalayan rivers. Which of the following region is known as the rice bowl of India? Rice bowl of India boli kak koa hoy, that is Krishna Godavari Delta region. Okay, and also West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh, these 2 places are also known as rice bowl of India. Deepest landlocked and protected port in India, it is Visakhapatnam. Railway passenger coaches are manufactured at, so passenger coach bilakot manufacture hoy, that is Perambur. The eastern coast of India is known as and that is Coromandel coast. The eastern coast of okay, the Kulu Valley is situated between Kulu Valley kot obasthita. Options are given, and it is Dhauladhar and Pir Panjal range or major obasthita hoise Kulu Valley. Gold is mainly found in kot poa jay gold, and it is mainly found in Kolar, Karnataka. Okay, The states leading in manganese production of सबसे leading kuntu state है that is Orissa. India is the largest wall producer of सबसे बेसी की produce करे India that is mica, number 1 producer of mica in the world. In terms of production of coal, India's position is 4th position. Okay, highest amount of mica is produced by that is Andhra Pradesh. Highest amount of mica first India world bhitor that is Andhra Pradesh produce hoy. Kabra coalfield is in both ase Cobra coalfield Andhra Pradesh avasthita. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of Madhya Pradesh sabse beshi ki producer pulses hoy. Best known bird sanctuary in Haryana. Haryana sabse best known bird sanctuary is that is Sultanpur bird sanctuary. Longest river of peninsular India is south or apunar longest river is Godavari. The area with annual rainfall less than 50 centimeter in a year is so 50 centimeter ko kom rainfall eta bosorat hua area ki boli koy that is Leh in Kashmir. Kuntu area hoy Kashmir Leh area. Then Salal project kuntu river ase and that is Chenab river ase Salal project. Predominant type of Indian agriculture kuntu hoy that is subsistence agriculture. So what is subsistence? Subsistence agriculture ki hoy jetia কৃষকে খেতি কৰে মানে maximum portion নিজৰ consumptionৰ কাৰণে ওকে বাকি minimum portion হে কি কৰে for commercial user কাৰণে যেতিয়া মানে বিক্ৰী কৰাৰ কাৰণে ইউজ কৰে হেতু খেতি কৰে তেতিয়া হেতু subsistence বুলি কয় commercial agriculture একেবাৰে মানে বিক্ৰী কৰাৰ কাৰণে কৰা হয় so ইন্ডিয়াত mainly subsistence আছে mainly কৃষক বিলাকে নিজৰ consumptionৰ কাৰণে বেছিকে কৰে তাৰ বাকি যিখিনি ৰয় হেখিনি হে তেওঁলোকে বিক্ৰী কৰে The state having largest area of forest cover in India is Madhya Pradesh. सबसे बेसी forest cover আছে. Private sector refinery set up by Reliance Petroleum is located at Jamnagar. The only state that produces saffron in India. So, India kuntu state only state जिए apunar saffron produce करे. Saffron means kesar jitu koa hoy and that is Jammu and Kashmir. Baki kotu koa na jay. The oldest rocks in India are reported from so upor ase oldest rocks in India Tharwar region Karnataka. And last question of today's class is Shimla Convention is an agreement between that sets. So what is Shimla Convention? So it's an agreement between boundary between India and Tibet. Okay, India and Tibetor major boundary nirdharon kora eta convention is Shimla Convention and okay so Shimla Convention was signed in 1972 dito signature kora hoisile 2 July so 100 questions আপোনালোকলে আগবঢ়ালো I hope it will help you out in your upcoming competitive exams so অতি সোনকালে আমি আপোনাৰ part 4 to release কৰিম part 4 চাই থাকিব আমাৰ ক্লাস বিলাক আৰু pdf বিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ telegram channel join কৰি লব description boxত link দিয়া আছে okay you can also follow our Facebook page the link is given below in the description box and also we will upload the next part of Indian history MCQ series also so আপোনালোকে আমাৰ এই series টো কেনেকুৱা পাইছে enjoy কৰিছে নে নাই ইয়াৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে শিকিব পাৰিছে নাই please mention কৰি জনাই দিব comment section ত so আপোনালোকৰ এই comments বিলাকে এটা motivation হয় আমাৰ কাৰণে আৰু আমি আৰু ভাল ভালকে আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে উৎসাহ পাওঁ so আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে খিনি জনাই দিব so ভিডিওটো চাই যদি ভাল পাইছে like comment share subscribe গোটেইখিনি কৰিব notification bell press কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব thank you have a nice day